ọmọ Yorùbá, ọmọ Oòduà, ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀. ọmọ Yorùbá, ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin tó bá jẹ́ pé lóòótọ́ lẹ nífẹ̀ẹ́ ọmọ Adéyẹmọ, lẹ nífẹ̀ẹ́ bàbá wa Pòfẹ́sọ̀ Banji Akíntóyè, lẹ nífẹ̀ẹ́ lóòótọ́ pé kí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá dúró, mo fọ Ọlọ́run bá bẹ̀ ẹ súnmọ́ bí kẹ wá gbọ́. Kò wá sí pé kẹ wá gbọ́ nìkan o, ẹ wá pín káàkiri sí gbogbo ibi tó gbogbo àwọn káàkiri àgbáláyé kọ́ mọ̀ pé ìròyìn ayọ̀ ti dé. Nítorí kò sí bó ṣe fẹ́ mọ̀ tó bá gbọ́ lẹ́nu àwọn èèyàn tàbí irú àwọn àkànkọ́ báyìí ó ṣe kọ́ má rí gbọ́ngbò mi. Eléyìí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí ó kọjá wẹ́rẹ́wẹ́rẹ́. ọmọ Yorùbá, intelligent kan kọ́ mi lára báyìí. Gbogbo ara gbọ́ sí kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Sókótó títọ́ ọmọbìnrin kan. Ṣé àwọn pé tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ Donald Trump wọn kó àwọn mi wọlé tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ technology lọ lò nísìnyí nítorí ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọbìnrin yẹn ààrẹ Amẹ́ríkà ti ya nítọ́ pátápátá. Wọ́n ti fún ìjọba Nàìjíríà ní ìjọ mẹ́fà àbíjọ́ máa méje láti fi ṣe kí ni, láti ṣe the necessary thing. Pé tí wọn bá fi lè ṣe the necessary thing, àwọn àṣà Amẹ́ríkà àwọn máa ṣe ohun tó àwọn máa ṣe the necessary thing tó máa jẹ́ kí inú Yorùbá dùn, tó máa jẹ́ kí inú Ìgbò dùn. Kí ni ìtumọ̀ ẹ̀? Ẹnu mi kọ́ lẹ ti máa gbọ́ pé ìyá tíṣà láàyè. Iṣẹ́ ti wá di iṣẹ́ ogun wa báyìí. Ẹ̀yin bàbá tẹ̀ ń gbàwẹ̀, ẹ máa gbà nínú àwẹ̀ kẹ máa fi sínú àdúrà Ọlọ́run gbogbo ohun tó lè jẹ́ kó ṣe the necessary ti jẹ́ kó ṣẹlẹ̀. ọmọ Yorùbá, mo lè sọ pé ká máa kí àwa kó ire sílẹ̀ nítorí pé kí ni, ìròyìn ayọ̀ ti dé tán. Orílẹ̀-èdè Amẹ́ríkà sọ wípé pẹ̀lú nǹkan táwọn fojú àwọn rí yìí o, táwọn fetí àwọn gbọ́ yìí o, Nàìjíríà gbọ́dọ̀ pé tó bá pẹ́ jù oṣù kan sígbà táwa allegedly unconfirmed information, but àwọn tó sọ wọn ní parọ́ láéláé, ṣùgbọ́n ká lo benefit of doubt torí èèyàn ni wọ́n àti torí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí bẹ́ẹ̀ nígbàgbọ́ ọ̀nà olùdí nígbàgbọ́. Let's give it benefit of doubt within us. ọmọ Yorùbá, a kú oríire. Wọ́n ṣe léṣẹ́ sí o, wọ́n ṣe léṣẹ́ sí o, Donald Trump ti ya ní. Ǹjẹ́ ohun tó fà á ẹ̀ tí gbọ́ náà, ohun tó fà á lélẹ̀. Mo máa play evidence fún yín kó má dàbí pé ẹ máa bí ẹwà kọ́dé bá máa parọ́ fún wa bá máa sọ pé a foríire. Ohun tí máa bí ò bá rí máa bí ò ní sọ láyéláyé, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. ọmọ Yorùbá, lẹ́yìn tí àwọn kàbá tí wọ́n gbọ́ sí decision tí Donald Trump take, ǹjẹ́ wọ́n tí wọ́n ṣe gbogbo wọn ti sá kúrò nílùú látòrí Sultan Sokoto dórí gbogbo wọn. They have all run out of the country allegedly. Wọ́n ní wọ́n ti jápa. Kí ló fà á? Torí pé gbogbo wọn ni wọ́n ti dáràn bọ̀ orí Sultan Sokoto láti máa bẹ̀rẹ̀. Torí yẹn fún àyẹn ọwọ́ ti tẹ̀. Tí bá náà wọ́n tẹ̀ bó ti pọ̀ mù pé àṣírí ẹ̀ ti tú sáwa ọmọ Yorùbá lọ́wọ́. Fún ìdí èyí, màá play kankan sí, màá fẹ́ kí gbogbo wa gbọ́. Ìyẹn lè fi máa mọ̀ wípé Nigeria is not, we are not practicing one Nigeria. And this is one of the reasons why we will never accept Sharia in Southwest. We say no to Sharia. God bless America. We love America. Whatever America wants is what we also want. America rejected Sharia. They don't even want to hear about it. Same thing goes to we in Southwest. We don't want to hear anything of such again forever and ever. Take it to your north. Take it to your north and continue paying your people. Now that nísìnyí tí wọ́n ti rí pé ojú àwọn Haúsá ti là, àwọn Haúsá ti ń bá wọn fà nísìnyí pé kí ló tó ẹ pé Sharia yìí kò mú ọmọ yín tó jẹ́ Fúlàní rí, tó jẹ́ àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá tó jẹ́ àwọn táwọn jẹ́ Haúsá ló máa ń mú ní north. Fúlàní mélòó lẹ ti fọ́ lójú rí? Fúlàní mélòó lẹ ti parí? Fúlàní mélòó lẹ ti ṣe ìjàmbá fún? Tẹ bá ti rẹ́ni tó jẹ́ olóògbé ọmọ, tẹ bá ti rẹ́ni tó yẹ pé ọkọ yín sọ fún yín pé tó bá dọjọ́ ọ̀la o àwọn tó máa tákù yín tákù àwọn ọmọ wọn yìí ẹ wá mọ̀ ẹ ka ìṣùkọ́ sí wọn lẹ́sẹ̀ ẹ ní kọ́ wọn lẹ́wọ̀n. Sultan ṣèkọ pẹ̀lú ọlọ́run bá mi ibẹ̀ ni mo ti rí pé Sultan lélẹ̀ zero ni gbogbo ẹ̀rù ni mo fi sọ mi yọ sọ ó fòkò níṣòro evidence is all over the place. Eléyìí tí mo wá fẹ́ sọ yìí ẹ̀ tí ì gbọ́ nínú ẹ̀yìn ìyá àti bàbá rẹ̀ bí 1000 tí pátápátá máa rẹ́ nìkan àbí méjì tó ti gbọ́ nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ yìí. Kí nìkan ọ̀hún mo máa sọ fine. Èyí náà wò kí ni àwa ìran Yorùbá kí la rà lọ́wọ́ àwọn olóyè kí la rà lọ́wọ́ wọn. Àyà má kò wọn o débi pé wọ́n ti fẹ́ impose ṣẹ̀ríà lé wa lórí. Mi blame wọn, bàbá Ọbásanjọ́ ni mo blame. Allegedly a gbọ́ pé àwọn ni wọ́n ti kí ni àwọn ló welcome ṣẹ̀ríà nígbà tó wá as president àbí ẹ̀jọ̀ sí ibẹ̀ nínú ìmọ̀. Kí la gbé kí la jù kí là ń jẹ tí ò tó àfọlá Ọlọ́run. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kí là ń jẹ kí là ń lò tí ò ní tán kò sí àfọlá Ọlọ́run. Ọlá Ọlọ́run nìkan ni ò ń tán. Ọlá Ọlọ́run nìkan ni ò ń tán. Ẹ jẹ́ wá fídíò yìí kí n gbé jáde sí kí n play ẹ̀ fún yín. Bọ̀gí tó play fídíò yìí ọmọ Yorùbá lásìkò tá a wà yìí trust nobody. Inú jìn ẹ wo Sultan Sokoto bó ṣe máa ń present tara ẹ̀ béèyàn tó dáa. Ṣe látìgbà tèmi ti ń fura tí Sultan Sokoto yìí ní àtìgbà tó ti sọ fún Tinubu pé bàbá pé kọ́ cancel social media kọ́ regulate ẹ̀ débi pé nǹkan tó bá fẹ́ kọ́ sọ nìkan náà máa sọ wọn ò nílé wa tú àṣírí àwọn ọmọ wọn can you imagine. ẹ lè sọ fún àwọn ọmọ yín kó jáwọ́ nídìí jàgídíjàgan kó jáwọ́ nídìí criminality. Your children should get it off. Láti ìgbà táwọn ọmọ yín ti ṣe orí burúkú tí wọ́n ń ṣe ó dẹ̀ mélòó tí ṣẹ̀rí àgbé wọn. Ẹ̀yìn kójú àwọn Hausa ti là ń sìn kí wọ́n fẹ́ kọjá sí South West. You are making a very big mistake because no matter what you are coming with they are dead on arrival. Àdó olóró ni o ìbọn ni o mísáì ni o kílíkan ni o they are all dead on arrival. You can bet it again. We are Yorubas. We are not Igbo. We are not Hausa. We are not Fulanis. We are highly intelligent people. The whole of Southwest region can never find anybody like you that acts like you. So fún díẹ̀ yìí ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ gbọ́ ọ́díò yìí fídíò tí ẹ ní ká jọ gbọ́ papọ̀. Now tó bá mú terrorist Sultan ní kó fi wọ́n lẹ̀ tó bá fẹ́ kógun lọ́jà wọn Sultan ní kó má lọ. Who is this man? Is it because he is a major general in the armed force? Gumi tẹ̀ ń wò yẹn allegedly we heard that he is a captain in the Nigerian armed force retired. Ẹ wọ́n imagine ṣèbáwọn tọ́kọ́ kan bá tu terrorism wèé yẹlẹ bá mọ̀ wípé kò sí yàtọ̀ nínú gbogbo wọn. All Fulanis are the same thing. They all have one agenda. Gbogbo bó ṣe ń pa wá tó ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ lójú wọn wọ́n ṣe jihad ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn MS kọlọ́ba olówó èkó nǹkan I love my husband gbogbo they are highly intelligent people. Àwọn ló wá ń tú àṣírí fún wa ló ń jẹ́ ká mọ̀ wípé gbogbo ohun tó ń ṣe nílẹ̀ tó ń para wọn tó ń yin àdó olówó tó ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n practice ẹ̀sìn wọn ni. Kábíyèsí Elédùmarè. Ọmọ Yorùbá inú mi ti ẹ̀ dùn pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ Yorùbá ti declare support fún ìṣẹ̀ṣe pé àwọn ò tún kírun mọ́ káwọn ò tún ṣe gbá mọ́ àwọn ò tún ṣàwo mọ́ ibẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ ni mo lọ láàárọ̀ yìí. But let's be wise. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí wọ́n sọ wá di ẹrú ayé. Ẹ má jẹ́ kó sọ wá di ìran tí ò mọ tó ń ṣe. all over the world ìran Yorùbá wà nínú wọn tó gbọ́n jù, the most smartest tribe on planet Earth. Yorùbá wà lára wọn. So what are we talking about? Like seriously? Now ẹ jẹ́ wá play kìíní fún wa tí ogun àjọ gbọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ mọ̀ wípé everything is not money. Gbogbo kọ́kọ́ lówó, àwọn kọ́kọ́ wà tẹ́kọ̀ owó lè ṣe. Ẹ wo bó ṣe free Chief Sunday Igboho without any bail condition, without nothing. Bàbá Tinubu kan inú wọn gbọ́ dùn ó lè Sunday Igboho bọ́ sí Igboho because wọ́n mọ̀ pé bí ó lè Sunday Igboho ṣe wà lórí wọ́n ṣe wà lórí soil South West with freedom. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé àwọn Fúlàní ò lè dẹ̀ mọ́ mọ́. Láti ìgbà tó lè Sunday Igboho ìbò mẹ́rin lẹ ti gbọ́ pọ́ jíyàn gbé ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tí ó bá ṣáà tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́yìn tí àwọn èèyàn ń pìlà tó ń ṣẹ̀rí káàkiri fresh one. Kàbá yìí tí wàá sọ wípé tó bá gbé security fún wọn tọkàn olùgbò tó dá ọmọ sínú igbó tí ọba Tinubu ní kó flush gbogbo terrorists out of our forest. Wọn lè withdraw èèyàn kan wà lásòkò jókòó kò sí kankan gbogbo yìí ti sá tán kú òòlù ìyẹn yìí Fúlàní. Ọwọ́ à ń tàn àbá Tinubu má fi Sunday Igboho sílẹ̀ o, má ṣe kíní kan kéèyàn sílẹ̀ o, ọmọ yẹn létà àti wọ́n tún fún bàbá Tinubu lọ́wọ́ pé àwọn eléyìí wọ́n fẹ́ jẹ́ kí wọ́n fẹ́ kẹ́ fi Igboho lẹ̀ so that wọ́n á lè rí yín bá jà dáadáa. Yes, ìjà tá ń jà ìjà yín wà ń bẹ̀, ẹ̀yin náà dẹ̀ mọ̀ àbáwá Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ìjà yín wà ń bẹ̀, ìjà gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá ni, ìjà gbogbo lọ́balọ́ba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni. Ṣùgbọ́n èmi kí àwọn ọba wa kú oríire torí pé kí ni kí wàhálà yìí tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ àwọn ọba ti ṣe tiwa. Wọ́n ti ṣe tiwa. Yes, gbogbo ẹnu ni mo fi sọ. Ẹ bá wa ṣàdúrà fún bàbá wa ọba Olúgbọ́n. Ọba tó fi ń tọrọ ọba ni bàbá yẹn. Bàbá wa Onírìṣà wọ́n ṣe gudugudu méje yàyà mẹ́fà. Bàbá wa ọba Rashidi Ládọjà tẹ bá gbọ́ tata and finisher bàbá ló jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Láti day one tí wọ́n ti mú Chief Sunday Igboho ni bàbá wa Olúbàdàn ti sọ pé má wọ̀ọ́rì ṣe sùúrù kí bàbá tó wà là fún wa ní last visit wọn pé tí bá ní kó fi ẹlẹ̀ wọ́n á fi ẹlẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n máa ṣe jàǹbá fún ẹ. Àìmọye àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tá à lè sọ síta tó a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run bí gbogbo ìrìnàjò yìí ṣe rí. Ọlọ́run fi kọ́ wa lọ́gbọ́n sí i. And again kí n tó play kan tí mo fẹ́ play this is a very strong warning to Wale Ali. Wale Ali were very careful. Stay off Chief Sunday Igboho Akintoye. Yọ orúkọ wọn kúrò lẹ́nu ẹ. Remove their name from your mouth. Àwa tá ṣé wọ́n ló máa sọ fún wa pé kayan leader mi. Are you with us? What's the problem? O dẹ̀ fèsì onítìrì onírọ́ fèsì Dúpẹ́ onígèlè rọ́ Dúpẹ́ tó yẹ pé ó lè pààrọ̀ lálẹ́. Ó ń sa gbogbo agbára láti lo divide and rule fún bàbá wa olóyè Sunday Igboho àti bàbá Akintoye kò rí dúró torí pé àwa ọmọ tá à ń ṣe tó bá yẹ pé àwọn ọmọ tá à ń ṣe ni wọ́n máa defeat wa torí pé Ọlọ́run ló gbé àwa dìde. Ṣe bóun lẹ́yìn náà ń sọ yìí ó gba kíní kan million Black Lion ó lo mọ́tò wọn ní mọ́tò tí Black Lion lò close to 100 million owó tẹ̀ wọ́n Yorùbá já fún un. Tó bá bi Dúpẹ́ ní tìrì ní béèrè àná ni ẹ ti compromise òkè ni ẹ ti gbà bọ̀dé ó ti ṣe kíní kan ó ti ṣe gbá ó ti ṣàwo màmá wọn ṣépè fún yín kò kàn wá. Wálé Àlì problem ẹ̀yìn àti àwọn onítìrì nìyẹn. Ẹ fẹ́ ṣẹ́tù jà ẹ̀ ń sọ pé olóyè Sunday Igboho àti bàbá Akintoye o àwọn náà máa step down for what? Ohun tẹ́ sọ yẹn ẹni yóò gbà. Yes. We are not up to the standard of saying that in our midst. Ẹ kéré sí ẹni tó lè sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀bẹ fáwọn bàbá wa. Táwọn bàbá òkè ti ṣaláàrin pé o don't disrespect our father. You have to go on it, do whatever you like with her. We are less concerned. But Sunday Igboho, Professor Akintoye, to go to that area, you have yourself to play. Because I'm a judge, I'm a gas if you go. No man. ẹ mọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣe o ṣe mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń jáde sí yìí ẹ̀yin lẹ kó ayé jọ ń gbà kan nítorí owó tí Dúpẹ́ Onítìrì fẹ́ fún wọn wọ́n dẹ̀ mú iṣẹ́ tó Akíntóyè ṣe ó gbìyànjú láti ba gbogbo iṣẹ́ rẹ̀ jẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run wá fàjù lọ wọ́n ló sọ pé níjọ́ tóun ti ń assassinate character àwọn èèyàn òun èyí tí rẹ̀ ni tó dé bàbá Akíntóyè àti Sunday Igboho tó strong ó lo gbogbo ọ̀nà ló lò ṣe wọ́n sọ fún ìgbà yẹn nígbà tó ní ẹ kọ́ gbẹ́sẹ̀ kan sí Benin kọ́ gbẹ́sẹ̀ kan sí Nàìjíríà kọ́ wá flag kọ́ declare kọ́ ṣe gbá kọ́ ṣàwò bí n pé ọmọ ìkéré ló ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ you are a very 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 olórí burúkú woman tí wọ́n lè tòlú ni ìwọ tó lè tólé ẹ̀ o fẹ́ tòlú like seriously gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ ti wọ one chance nígbà tá a ṣe calculation ìwọ̀nba tá a rí ní owó tí Dúpẹ́ Onítìrì gbà is more than 3 billion naira ẹ̀yin lẹ fà á ó fi yín ṣe tánrẹ́sẹ̀ kínní kan tí ó sáré bù ń tó fi ṣe nìyẹn náà tó bá yẹ pé ẹ̀yin àgbàlẹ̀ Yorùbá kò ń ṣàwọn àgbà bíi tẹ̀yìn tí mo bá sọ̀rọ̀ yìí àwọn àgbà gidi àwọn àgbà tó mọ tó ń ṣe àwọn àgbà tí wọn tẹ̀lé rọ́ tó dúró tó wámú wọn lọ wọn bọ̀ wọ́n sọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ òkè múgù lẹ́kùn wá kì í ṣe múgù rárá àti rárá ni ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bá a kọ́ sí comment section wípé Yorùbá nation no going back àwọn tó ń pera wọn ní representative wa irọ́ lọ́pàá o bàbá I'm even coming to that gédégbé tó bá ti yẹ lẹ́yìn olóyè Sunday Igboho bàbá Professor Akíntóyè any other person tó bá wá ẹ̀dìtẹ̀ wọn United Nation ẹ̀dìtẹ̀ ni wọn kẹ wá pín àwọn leader wa bàbá Professor Banji Akíntóyè wọ́n fò lọ fò bọ̀ eré rẹ̀ pé ni it is not a joke bàbá Tinubu fún ara wọn mọ̀ wípé ìkọ́ tá à ń pè fún òun ni the last solution ká sì máa ṣe wọ́n mọ̀ ọlọ́kọ̀ wọn bàbá a ó máa ṣe o báwo ni ò bá ṣe dáa tó ẹ jẹ́ sáré pè kí ni ìpèjì tó bọ́ sí ìpele kejì so ẹjọ́ tó yọ lọ́hùn mo fẹ́ ká fara balẹ̀ kí ogun àjọ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ẹ bá ti wá gbọ́ tán o ohun tó ní kálukú bá wá fẹ́ sọ ẹ bá mi kọ sí comment section who are very very important ó yá ẹja gbọ́.
There was a year when this incident happened, and that is far back, that time internet is not like this. I'm talking about 2007. Internet was not like this. So people don't understand information and what really happened. Now pay attention to this woman you are seeing on the screen. Her name is Mrs. Christiana Oluwasese. She was a teacher in the state, a Yoruba lady who loved everyone regardless of your religion, your culture, where you came from. She was a nursing mother, a wife, and a teacher with a heart of gold. Now, Nigeria don't remember people who have suffered because of one Nigeria. Nigeria don't remember people who just died for nothing because of one Nigeria. What happened? On March 21, 2007, by this time, this lady was 30 years old. And as I said before, her name is Christiana Oluwasese. She was lynched by Muslim students for allegedly desecrating the Quran at a secondary school in Gandhi, Gombe State, northeast Nigeria. A mother of two, Oluwasese, was assigned to supervise and valid religious knowledge exam. When one of the students, a female, wanted to enter the exam hall with her bag, Oluwasese collected the bag and threw it outside because you are not supposed to enter with your books and your bag inside the exam hall. It means that you are going to use it to cheat. So this is a normal thing that the teacher will supervise. So the teacher threw the bag outside, like in front of the class. Keep your bag over there. And what happened? The student whose bag was thrown suddenly began to cry, claiming that a Quran was in the bag. Then she began chanting the words, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, in God is great, prompting the other students to join in the chant. as they rushed to attack Mrs. Christiana, who then ran into school principal's office for protection. More students from other classes got wind of what Mrs. Christiana had done without knowing how she did it or whether she knows whether it was Quran or in the back, because she was not aware that the back that there is a Quran inside. Word soon got out into the community that Mrs. Christiana, who is a Christian Yoruba teacher, had desecrated the Quran, and soon the school was packed with angry Islamic extremists demanding the head of Mrs. Christiana, asking the school principal, who is Muslim, to bring her out of her office. The principal tried to beg the student, but he could not convince the angry, bloodthirsty extremists. They dragged her out of the office, struck her naked, and stabbed her multiple times, beat her with sticks, threw stones, sand, things, and spit. Beat her continuously until then they burned her corpse in her car, beat up the school principal for trying to protect her, and burned down peripheral blocks in the school clinic, the administrative block, and the library. Note about it, Mrs. Christiana was a nursing mother at the time, and her baby was in the vehicle sleeping, but a good Samaritan rescued the child before the mob could get to the car, with the intention of actually killing the baby too. The marauding students were between the ages of 12 and 14 years old, and were supposedly joined by members of a gang called Young Cabaret. Gombe State Governor Mohammed Danjuma Goje ordered the immediate closure of all secondary schools in the state and in the to strategic points, especially churches, because they were saying that Christians are going to pay for what happened, because the Yoruba lady, which is teacher, is also a Christian, so it just turned to a religious something. So they were arraigned before the Federal High Court one day. But over time, they came back. The suspects were let go. Well, they can so continue to rest in peace. And what happened? There was the news then that the Emirates in the northern Nigeria and the Sultan of Sokoto ordered that they should release those people. But they released them. No charges, nothing was ever, nothing like arrest, nothing like detention, nothing like jailing of them. They gone slavery. They were protected by Sharia law. They were protected by Sharia law. And after 2007, before 20 years, this issue happened more than 20 times. When people are like, what people's name because of this? Christians are always the victim. Until Deborah's phone, Deborah, who was the student, like, what is her crime? In the WhatsApp group of their school, there is a person for that WhatsApp group to share assignment and all those things. So, not for you to sending Quran and buy Islamic things there, religious thing. So she was just trying to show concern. Please, let's be mature. Here is for our class, it's not for Quran. Hey, how dare you say that? You are an infidel. You are a Christian. You are not supposed to say that. They get to this girl, they burn her alive. The people who burn this guy alive, so they match it. Yes, we burn the border. We burn the border. You don't do anything. Guess what? The case died natural death. Yes. I am not going to continue to fight this kind of spirit of thing comes into my mind. Let me tell you, there is a solution to all these things. Anybody who amalgamated Nigeria did not amalgamate Nigeria for good. And if anybody comes out and say that we can work on Nigeria and make Nigeria great, I'm sorry, very, very sorry to say this. You are very stupid. I am very sorry to say this. I am not possible, but I'm trying to state the mentality of people who think they can continue to patch this thing. Let me tell you, it's because it's not your mother, it's not your sister, it's not your relation that died. They have never cut away the neck of your mother. They have never born your mother alive. They have never born your sister just because of a statement. You don't know what others are facing. So when you are trying to say something because of your business interest, be very careful. If you want to play with people's life, be very careful. And put your life in the shoes, in the place of these people. Put your life in the place of these people who are being killed, extrajudicial killing for nothing, more violence, because they are Christians. Now, you see the kind of collateral damage we do talk about, because most of the time they will tell you that the Boko Haram has been us. They beat up this modern principal, wanted to kill him. They burned his office. Why do they do that? They did it because you are even trying to sin and look illegal. And they call it a Christian.
Yes.
Hello. There is a solution to this.
Look at that mentality.
The solution is that there is nothing a Christian and Islamic extremist are doing in one country.
Yes.
Absolutely nothing. There is nothing a Christian and an Islamic extremist is doing in one country. Be very careful. This is very dangerous.
Yes.
I don't hate people. If I come to your country and your country is a Sharia country, I am bound to respect your law.
Yeah.
I am bound to respect your laws, and I will respect it. I'm a law-abiding person.
But you know to call a victim.
But you said we are in one Nigeria. Because I'm a Christian, a student came with bag inside example. What am I supposed to do? Invigilate or supervisor? You take the bag and put it in front of classroom. I don't know the content of the bag. And the guest started shouting Allahu Akbar. This lady is a Christian, you need help. She threw my Quran. That would somebody else.